Hey everyone, this is Jackson from Townsteel. Today I'm going to be talking about our commercial offerings within our Rejuvenator series. If you haven't seen our video explaining what our Rejuvenator series is, I highly recommend you watch that video first and then come back to this one. The link to that video is in the description. We know that commercial buildings contain a lot of mismatched locks, which can be a massive pain if you own or manage a building. Inconsistent locks means inconsistent maintenance, which draws valuable time. So we want to help you upgrade your facility to something that is consistent and reliable. Since all locks within the Rejuvenator series are designed for retrofit and cover up pre-existing holes, both time and money are saved. All locks within the Rejuvenator series are ANSI BHMA Grade 1 certified and UL 3-hour fire rated, so you're not sacrificing quality when you're upgrading. Diving into what works best for commercial settings within our Rejuvenator series, you want something that is consistent across all openings, is easy to manage, and is durable, which our MSE here is perfect for. Our MSE-R is a mortise lock with a sleek stainless steel trim, reversible handing, and is tamper-proof, so no one can remove the cylinder by force. And, along with everything else within our Rejuvenator family, is retrofit ready, fitting into most manufacturers' door preps. If you're looking for a cylindrical option, then look no further than our CER lock. Boasting a stainless steel rose, it is built for long-term performance and is retrofit ready. One very cool thing about our CER is that it has adjustable through posts that'll work on a cylindrical lock door prep with 2 3/4 inch centerline and 2 5/8 inch centerline. We actually have another video on our CER that shows just how those through posts work, so if you want to learn more about that, click the link on screen now or the link in the description. With both of these, you're able to reuse existing cylinders and keyways, which saves you the hassle of having to get new cylinders or rekey your entire facility. Let us help you save and give you the quality of locks that your building deserves. If you want to learn more about our commercial offerings for yourself or check out other locks within our Rejuvenator series, click the link in the description or visit www.townsteel.com.